this holiday, somebody gave me a 2017 calendar. It's been useless because in January it felt like April, and April it has felt like July.
It's been amazing. We have been
Just
so warm.
throw it in the garbage.
Yeah, just get rid of your calendar. That's the truth. At least right now, it feels like early summer, and we are about to see some changes. But first, we have to ride out a couple of more very warm days. Here's a quick look at the current conditions now up in Marion County and Hamilton, 83 degrees, winds out of the southwest, dew point 58. And over Birmingham, a little bit of a haze today. And we actually had a little bit of subsidence with the cloud cover starting to build up some, just not getting very high up into the atmosphere and getting enough lift to get showers going. But technically, it's partly to mostly cloudy. You can see we have some sun making it through in Birmingham. 84 in Tuscaloosa, Anniston at 82. Not much to show you on the storm track radar. All of the showers that have been around have been up into our north and east counties. These are actually tracking over into Georgia now, headed towards Rome. But we've got a little bit of light rain now, which is near Weiss Lake, just the back edge of this cluster of showers. In center, you're now starting to dry out. Leesburg, you're drying out a little bit now, and that will track off into Georgia, so our rain chances are dropping quickly. Across the whole area, we're very warm. Temperatures into the low and mid 80s. We actually hit upper 80s in some spots today, and I would not be surprised if we do that again tomorrow. Reason being is we are on track with the current weather trend to stay in a very stable weather pattern until we get into Saturday. That's when we'll start to see some of this air become used in a little more of a fuel for showers and thunderstorms. This is Friday morning. We've got a few passing clouds, but overall it will stay dry. And as we go through the afternoon on Friday, it looks good as well. We will see temperatures warming back up though, and we're talking about numbers again around 86 to 89 degrees. Could see an isolated stray shower for those of you up in Marion County, but it is going to be a long shot that we'll get any rain. Not out of the question, but it is certainly a pretty long shot. Now, this is Friday night as we get into early Saturday morning. Not much going on. The best potential for the showers and thunderstorms will actually start to increase late in the day. Now, for those of you headed over to the A-Day game, might want to take a poncho because there's the chance that we could see a few showers at that time frame for the A-Day game. Hopefully that will adjust. I'm now starting to see a trend that shows it might come through a little bit later into the evening, but this is 4 o'clock. So you know what I'm talking about? Tuscaloosa, you'll be in line for a few thunder showers around 5. That stretches all the way back up into Coleman County. So this is going to be a broken line. We could have a few stronger storms, so that's why I've issued a weather aware for Saturday. But I don't see this as a big severe weather outbreak. Might have 1 or 2 storms that get a little frisky, but then we start to cool down. Rain moves out early Sunday. Second half of the weekend looking pretty good, and then we'll see temperatures back into the 60s and 70s to start next week. Jim?